Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to unbox this is the Champions shorts that I picked up from Kohl's. Actually we got two pair of the shorts. So let me give you a story real quick. Kohl's been sending me the $5 reward card, try to lure the customer in. So they've been doing that for the past couple months. So I haven't been, go in there and purchase anything for a while. So anyway, they sent me the $5, and then which it was supposed to expire yesterday, which is May 1st. So I took my kids to go there and my mom to go shop around, or just browsing around or window shopping. And then my son picked up two pair of the shorts. So he said if you buy it, buy one, get one 50% off. And the first shorts was like $20. So second pair was supposed to be like $10. So I got the $5 coupon, so I was using toward it. So anyway, let me show you guys the receipt real quick. I'm not sure how the codes they do their calculation, but anyway, it shows $20 over here, and then minus $3.34 twice. So the first pair come out to be $13.32, and then the second pair is $20 and then $10 off, and then minus $1.66 minus $1.66. So total came out to be around $6.68. So it said buy one get one 50% off over there. And then on the bottom, it shows that I have $5 code cash minus the $5, and then they have that special offer 20% off. So 20% off is taken off from the $25, so become $5 off. Okay, because if you buy one get one 50% off, become $30 minus $5 become $25. So you take out the 20% off from the $25, and then that is the total damage, and then total save is $20. So that means we end up getting like buy one get one free or something with all those coupon. I mean reward, and then the coupon or the discount. So anyway, let's go ahead and check out the shorts. So anyway, they give us the hanger, so toss that away. So this one is a size small. It looks kind of big, but anyway, it fit my son. So as you can see, you got the Champion logo right here. And then you got your left pocket, and then right pocket. So the pocket is like a mesh netting. Pretty good. And you got the drawstring or draw cord around your waistband. Okay, and this is elastic, and this one is a flat drawstring or draw cord. Okay, and then there's nothing on the back, no pockets at all. Then here is the size and then the label, Champion Performance, made in China. And this is the label right here. The Champion Vapor. And this one is 100% polyester. All right, let's move on to this one. Next one we have is this gray one. And this one is authentic athletic wear champion, established 1919. So the size small and says granite heat, jersey short with pocket. So this one is kind of different. This is like the embroidery right here instead of the imprint on the champion logo. And again, you got this left pocket. This one is not mesh. It's I guess 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So again, there's nothing on the back, no pockets or imprint or anything. And again, the waistband is elastic. The drawstring is like a loop, a rope kind, okay? So this is not two, it's just one. You just go like this and then tie it up. Tie into a nut. So inside you got this elastic band right here. And then the draw cord is right in the middle right here, or around your waist. And then the label is champion. Size small again. This one is made in Salvador instead of China. And here is another label. So anyway, I just want to share this with you guys, that the deal that we got, or because every month or every week they have different kind of deals. So anyway, hopefully you guys like the video and give a thumbs up. And be sure to hit that subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, so you won't miss out any of the new and latest unboxing or any tutorial or whatever. Alright, so please be sure to share this with your friend, family on social media, and be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.